Not every family is the right fit for your day home, and accepting the wrong family can affect your entire program, your other children, and your own well being. Today, I am sharing the real red flags to watch for during your meet and greet from someone who has seen them firsthand. The first red flag: parents who treat childcare as a dumping ground rather than a partnership. Watch for families who bring their child in sick without hesitation, who show up with no food or supplies expecting the day home to provide everything for free, or whose child arrives consistently unbathed and without basic hygiene care. These are not isolated incidents. They are patterns that tell you how this family views childcare. Your day home is not a substitute parent. It is a professional childcare environment, and families need to understand that from day one. If you see these signs during your trial period, trust them. Red flag number 2: families going through high conflict separation or divorce. Your day home can quickly become caught in the middle of warring parents. Disputes over picked up rights, conflicting instructions from each parent, or using you as a messenger between them. These situations create enormous stress and legal risk for you as a provider. During your meet and greet, ask directly: is there a custody arrangement in place? Are there any court orders I need to be aware of? Get everything in writing before you accept the child. Protect yourself. Red flag number 3: parents who treat you like a full-time personal nanny. There is a difference between a day home provider and a private nanny. A day home is a group childcare setting with set hours, policies, and boundaries. Watch for parents who make excessive demands outside your hours, expect one-on-one attention for their child above all others, or push back on your group policies because they feel their child deserves special treatment. Your contract is your best protection here. Clear boundaries set from the beginning prevent entitlement from taking root. Red flag number 4: parents who restrict their child from normal childhood experiences. Messy play, outdoor activity, art, sensory exploration, these are not optional extras. They are core parts of early childhood development. If a parent tells you during the meet and greet that their child cannot get dirty, cannot participate in water play, or cannot wear anything but their best clothes, that is a mismatch with how a quality day home operates. A child who cannot fully participate cannot fully benefit from your program, and you will spend your days managing that parent's anxiety instead of caring for the children. Red flag number 5: parents who want to fully outsource parenting to you. Childcare is a partnership. You support the child's development during the day. The parents continue that work at home. When parents disengage completely and expect the day home to fill every role, it creates an impossible situation for you and an unstable one for the child. Watch for parents who show no interest in their child's daily reports, never follow through on anything you raise as a concern, or treat drop off and pick up as the beginning and end of their parenting day. Your meet and greet is your interview, not just theirs. You are evaluating whether this family is the right fit for your program just as much as they are evaluating you. Trust your instincts. If something feels off during that first meeting, it will not get better once the child starts. Protect your program, your other families, and your own well-being by choosing carefully. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest, practical content for day home providers. And check out my other videos in the series. Links are in the description. I will see you in the next one.